Let's look at problem number 8. Cycle Stop Bike Sales is offering a markup of $245 on a new bicycle that costs them $955 to stock. Find our markup rate for this bicycle at Cycle Stop. Well, we got two types dealing with these. One of them is where we start with an amount and then we add an amount times some kind of percent, and that gives us our total. And then we also have where we have an amount minus the amount times a percent, and that gives us our grand total. Now, one of them is where you increase it, like sales tax. You take your cost of your item plus the cost of the item times a certain percentage, and that gives you your final total. And one of them is where we decrease it, like we're giving a discount. You're knocking 20% off a price. So you have your price minus price times 20% equals your final total. So you have to kind of decide which one it matches, and sometimes they're just a little bit different altogether. Markup, well, that means we're increasing it. So we're going to have our cost plus our cost times our markup percent is going to give us our total cost. Well, they tell us that it costs them $955 to stock. So they're telling us the cost is $955. And this will be $955 here times the markup percent. That's what we're trying to find. They say find the markup rate. So that'll be our X. Equals our total cost. Well, the cost is $955, and then they're having a markup rate of $245. So they're tacking $245 on that. So if I add that, that means it'd be $1,200. That's what they're charging the customer, $1,200. They pay $955, charging $1,200. Assuming I add it correctly over here. It's always kind of iffy. Well, at this point, we're ready to solve this. So this is a linear equation. First step, get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions, don't have any. Third step, get everything with x on one side, numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take this 955 and move it to the right side. So I got 955x is equal to 1200 minus 955. At any step, combine together numbers. That gives us 245 when we subtract them. Last step is to divide both sides by the number in front of your x. So we're going to divide both sides by 955. Those 955s cancel. And I got 245. I'm dividing that by 955. Doesn't go into that, so I'll add a 0. Goes into that 2 times, I think. Not that I can actually multiply. Let me try that again. It's 10, 11, 18, 19, 10. Okay, yeah, 2 times. So 0, 1, 10, 11, carry the 1, 18, 19, 19, 10. Okay. Subtract those. That gives us that. And I'll add another 0 on here. 0 there. And I think it's 6. No, it can't be 6. Must be 5. Okay. So 5 times 5, 25, carry the 2, 27, 7, carry the 2, 45, 47. And let's see, that's 53, so that's 625. Add another 0 there. And I'm guessing that's 6. But let's see. If it was 7, too much. 6, I bet. So 6 times 5 is 30, 0 carry the 3, 33, 3 carry the 3, 54, 57. I don't know what that gives us, but it doesn't much matter. 0.256. The reason I say it doesn't matter is because there is no decimal places here. When we change this back to percent, we're moving it 2 places to the right, and knowing that this is 6 or greater, then this is going to round up to, well, first let me show it, 25.6%, which then becomes 26%, which would be A, so 8A. Now you'll find that percent problems, there's different ways of working them. So if you work it another way and get the right answer, there's nothing wrong with that. I try to, if possible, go back to these two types right here. So that really helps click with people. That those will solve a lot of those markup and discount type problems.